Hey there, it's Brittany. I am back with a very small gemstone pendant haul that I wanted to share with you. I got these items from the Queen's Beads and Findings on Facebook. My friend Augie runs that group, and you actually could have seen friend mail that she sent me last week. But when I was putting her link into that video, I checked it out again and I was like, oh, there's some stuff in here I really want. So I went and bought some stuff. So I'm going to show you that really quickly. I only have a few things. The first are these, it says new Cinnabar man-made, and I didn't know this, but she wrote Cinnabar is toxic, or real Cinnabar is toxic. These are 36 by 19 millimeter. Sorry, I have dirt under my nails. Three pieces, and I think I bought the rest of them, but the cool thing is she always has different things on her site, so I would check them out even if the things that I show you today are not there anymore. She still has a bunch of gemstone pendants, and that's what I bought. So look how cool these are. I cannot wait to do something with these. They're so yummy. They look like black licorice or something. Yay. I know a lot of people don't like black licorice, but I do. Funny story, I'm in the middle of moving. Many of you know movers are coming next week. They just canceled on me, so I had to find new movers. And future Brittany is gonna be really mad at past Brittany because I am not organizing before I pack things. I'm just kind of throwing stuff in boxes at this point. Future me is gonna be so mad. So look at this. I can't remember the name because she actually threw this in my order for me. It's so amazing. It looks, I think it's, was it Dragon Agate? I can't remember. Augie, you'll have to comment below because I went back and I couldn't find it. But I think she might have one that's similar to this. Holy mama, this is so beautiful. The back's even really pretty too. It's a beautiful, like, electric blue color and black. Can't wait to do something with that. And I know I'm behind on my bracelet video. Guys, I'm behind on everything. So the next one is a carved red Aventurine teardrop pumpkin color. So this is about 36 by 22 millimeter, and it was, I think, $3. So, and the hole goes that way. I just thought it was really fun for fall, and it's pumpkin color and it looks like a pumpkin. So I'm gonna make like a harvest necklace. Actually, this would really look nice with the bargain bead box findings that I got yesterday, unboxed for you guys. Check out that video. It was much better than last month. Next I have a natural fire Labradorite pendant, 40 by 20 by 7 millimeter. So nice grays and a little bit of flash in there. Thought this was really pretty. I have no idea what I'm going to do with any of this except for maybe that pumpkin one, but I had to have them. They were so pretty. This one was, I think, $4 on sale for $3. She also threw in these cute lime magnesite beads, which they go with the magnesite beads she sent last week. So I'm going to loop those in together with each other so I can make a big project out of them. Next is this yellow tiger iron pendant. You guys, it is so awesome in person. It's got so much flash. Like this piece right here looks like metal. I'm not really 100% sure what tiger iron is. I know it's tiger eye mixed with, is it pyrite or something? I don't know. Is it iron? I don't know. The first time I ever saw tiger iron was online, and I actually ordered a pendant that I got a couple weeks ago and never showed you guys, but that one was red tiger iron, and this one is so cool. It's like the regular tiger's eye colors. So I just love how it's like kind of polka dotted and really nice. I love the flash from the metal in there and the tiger's eye. So this one's, of course I drop it. This one's really, really cool. And then last but not least, I got a natural aqua blue Amazonite, 44 by 25 by 7 millimeter, and this one was $4. I just loved how the striations came together. I'm sorry, it's like not really focusing very well on the cab. There's a little bit of a scratch on the front, but that's okay. You can't tell. So anyway, so pretty. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Thought you would appreciate a really quick gemstone haul. Please check out the Queen's Beads and Findings on Facebook. I will link below. Check out Agate. She's like the sweetest person on earth. I love her. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. I got a super, super cute video of Goldie earlier today at our new house. So I'm going to attach that at the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye. Goldie, do you like your new house? Do you like your new house? Yeah. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Hi. Oh, you're a good girl. Yes. Oh, you're a good girl. Hi. Say hi to your friends. Hi, friends. Hi, friends.